Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So, last week I let you know that Microsoft said it was investigating the latest Patch Tuesday security update for Windows 11, 25, and 24H2, which is KB5121003, and was investigating the update because it was breaking PC games. And as I mentioned in the video, which I'll leave linked if you'd like some more information, following the release of the update, Microsoft had received reports of issues involving the inability to run games as expected. Check the video out for more information. Now, just to let you know that I have a bit of more information because Microsoft said it was investigating, and in its investigations, in its ongoing investigations, Microsoft has updated the article on its Microsoft Health dashboard page saying, and I'm quoting, "Ongoing investigation indicates that this issue is related to peripherals or internal device components which have RGB lighting features. Such devices," Microsoft says, "may install drivers or code components with file names similar to this system driver, input out times 64.sys. Okay, so that's the system driver. Microsoft mentions that in systems where these drivers are found, the issue is then triggered by launching certain games. So basically, according to Microsoft, the problem affects peripherals or internal hardware components that include RGB lighting. And then when certain games are launched on systems containing the problematic components, the game then can become unstable. And this is quite interesting because the RGB hardware itself doesn't necessarily appear to be defective. Instead, it seems that the conflict seems to involve the low-level drivers and software used to control the lighting, like this particular driver. So this driver has previously been associated with RGB control software and other utilities that need low-level access to PC hardware. So this could be the problematic issue. Now, with that all said and done, obviously that's not confirmed, but that's what Microsoft is saying. It's indicating that this issue is related to peripherals or internal device components which have RGB lighting features. But something else that could be the problem is another explanation is the way modern anti-cheat systems interact with low-level drivers. So drivers such as the said driver we're looking at in this video can operate at very low level within Windows, giving software access to hardware resources. And basically what's happening is the August Windows update could appear to have changed how certain low-level driver behavior is handled. And this may then expose compatibility problems that previously went unnoticed, potentially causing games or their anti-cheat systems to fail when the affected driver is present. But with all this said and done, as mentioned, Microsoft has not yet confirmed the exact technical issue and says it's still working to understand the relationship between the RGB components and the games triggering the issue. And at this stage, Microsoft is still investigating, according to its Known Issues Health dashboard page. And for now, Microsoft has not yet released a permanent fix, but I'm keeping my ear close to the ground with this one. And obviously, as I get the info, I'll keep you guys in the loop. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.